In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove TurboTax Premium. So the first thing you want to do is log into your TurboTax account, and then after you've done that, you want to go over here to the left navigation bar and go to the very bottom where it says Intuit Account. You want to click on that, and it will open up a new tab inside your browser where it says hello and then a bunch of things over here. And what you want to do is go to the very left over here where it says Products and Billing. Now click on that, and then you want to see your products over here. It's going to be TurboTax, and then you want to just click on that. And over here under products, you'll be able to see your TurboTax Premium in case you do have it. And if you have it, you'll be able to click on it and then basically cancel it or remove it from your account. Now, sometimes it may require you to provide some information on why you're trying to cancel, but if that happens, simply tell them why you're trying to cancel or remove TurboTax Premium, and after that, just confirm it and your premium will be canceled. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.